going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And guys, the pumps and dumps in cryptos and stocks continue. And they're trying to push down yields. We had Jerome in the house, and we know when Jerome is in the house, they like the markets to be good. And we normally dump the day after or right after the speech. But if they keep pushing down yields, guys, we know we'll have a little bounce tomorrow. But just make sure you're looking at the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed, 1.87 trillion. Make sure you watch the video of Jerome Powell I did last night. It's very important because he clearly stated they're going to keep raising. And we know raising rates is going to shrink liquidity. And that's the reason why we see these big corporations are lowering their projections. Remember, the stock market is 6 months to a year out, guys. Do not forget that. So if you're invested in the stock market, just remember that. They're lowering their projections because they know that we're going to be running into turmoil moving forward. But we know the Fed is not going to take a hit. We know they're going to come up with that big distraction. And I told you, next year, the government is definitely going to shut down. Don't know how long, but it's definitely going to shut down. They're going to run the Hegelian dialectic into the ground because the Republicans are definitely going to take over the Senate. And we see Biden did nothing when he had the Senate and the House because, guys, this is all planned. They're going to take America to Babylon down, bring it to its knees. And the only one to blame is the American people. Remember, once the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, the power leaves the hand. Right now, the power is still in the slave. If you stop work, everything stops. But the sheep are so distracted. The 4th Industrial Revolution is being built behind the curtain and in plain sight. Now, we have Grayscale moving up to 26.3 billion. Moving up yesterday about 400 million. Most likely they're going to move backwards today. We know they moving lockstep with the Fed. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. But guys, don't forget yesterday, They had an actual Congress meeting on UFOs. These times are getting crazy and crazier. Now we have Aave launches open source platform for social network dApps on Polygon. And we know Matic is that layer 2 solution for scaling of Ethereum. Now we have Ethereum analytics firm Nansen acquires DeFi Tracker 8 board. And guys, this is all-in-one information. And we know Seamless is definitely going to be the winner. We know once they flip the switch, the masses are not even going to know they're using crypto or DeFi. Now we have Meta files 5 trademark applications for MetaPay. And we know Facebook is the perfect platform for the social credit, social working, social shopping. And you guys know I told you a long time ago. Now we have Robinhood plans Web3 crypto wallet for DeFi traders and NFT buyers. And we see the legacy fintech apps are moving right over to cryptocurrency. Now we have real use cases. We have Vietnamese officials backs partnership with Oasis Labs to tokenize genomic profiles. And we know how important data ownership and privacy is going to be. And then we're talking about the healthcare industry. You know, I went over it plenty of times with SingularityNet and what they're doing and the investment by Bill Gates. Now we have Axie Infinity Discord bot compromise and hackers issue fake minting message. And you guys know how I feel about these hacks. And also we have 2 credit card firms in Israel to enable card holders to buy Bitcoin. Now we have Cloudflare to run Ethereum node experiment to help build a better internet. And then lastly, we have A16Z. Andreessen, my guy, launches first gaming fund with $600 million commitment. And guys, we know gaming, these NFTs are so important because it's going to get the millennials and Generation Z inside the metaverse, so they can download that brain and control the masses. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you know cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, your home stocks, the Seaver, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.